Hello my love, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Evie Agulu for those who don't know me, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I have a pretty little thing haul. We're gonna try it on together and okay, this is really heavy. I need to put it down. Okay. I'll drop the link to everything in the description box. It's from the new in section, so you'll be able to get your hands on them. Hopefully they're not sold out. Black Friday is coming. PLT have been running a sale from like 50% off, 60% off, up to 90% off. So I want to drop this in time for you guys to go get your hands on a good few bits from PLT. Just as a disclaimer, some of these items were gifted to me and some are not, so I did purchase them with my own coin. Okay, we're gonna get into trying them on now. I've just finished taking everything out of the packaging, which took a while. But before we actually get into it, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Okay, let's try some clothes on. The first item I have is this chocolate brown trench coat. It's faux leather and I got it in a size 8, which is my regular size. I do wish it came with a belt because I'm a belt tire when it comes to my coats, but this one is really nice. It's very long, which I'm obsessed with, and it's not too heavy, so it's perfect for autumn. And if you want to wear it during the winter, you can just layer up underneath. It has enough space to layer underneath. I got this brown faux fur coat and I got this in a size 10. If you are into the whole mob wife aesthetic, this will definitely be a bit of you. But one thing I will say is that it sheds, because just doing this, it's shedding. The inside of the coat is quilted, which is one of the things that made me want to get it outside of the way that it looks, because I do like me a little bit of a fur number. The thing about fur is that it is a timeless piece to have in your wardrobe. Every single autumn, winter, you can bring out your furs. This has no buttons and no hooks, but it does have a belt, which you can use to, like, you know, bam. And the fur feels really nice. It just sheds a lot. The other thing is the sleeve is hella short. So you're gonna need to, wear a little bit more to cover more of your arms if you are a cold person like me. But this feels comfortable, and I got this in a size 10 and it feels like a fit. I was sizing up because I wanted it to be a little bit more loose, but this feels more fitted. If you wear faux fur regularly, you already know once you get it, you need to give it a little fluffing and a little bit of a brush for it to look as furry as it can be. Nah, I have to say I'm actually in love with the colors that it has on it. It's just so cute and it looks good on my complexion. Like, who gonna check me, boo?
Who gonna check me, boo?
This is the faux fur trim jackets. They have this in the black and they have this in the brown. I also wanted the brown, but I decided to respect myself and respect my wardrobe because I'm actually out of space and I need to do a clear out again. But let's try this on. Let me stop yapping. Let's try this on. I got it in a size 8. This is her. This is she. Oh my gosh. I love. If you follow Charlie Kamal on Instagram, I saw she also has this and I was just like, yes. I'd already ordered mine when she posted about hers, so I was like, yeah, great minds. Yes. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me calm down. I put her on. Let me calm down. But look at the work. This jacket is a moment. Okay, you'll need to run. Don't walk, run. It's long, it's classy. I can imagine this with a black headband and it's gonna eat like chef's kiss. Like, even the placement of the waist belt is literally perfect because it gives you like a nice silhouette. I literally can't wait to wear this. I need to start making plans with my friends because I have to have somewhere to go so that people can see me in this coat, because what? Nah. Let's put on the next thing. We're gonna be boring for a second. I got 2 of these because I wasn't sure which one would fit me perfectly and comfortably. I got a size small and a size medium, so we're gonna try them both on and see, because one of them has to go back. I'm not gonna keep both of them. The reason I got these is just to have something to wear when I'm not really dressing up, but I want to be warm and I'm going to be outside, like going to the office and stuff, where it's just practical to have it. Like, I live in Dublin. I need to stop being serious about the fact that I live in Dublin. But this is a small, it fits me quite comfortably. Actually, it fits me quite comfortably, but I feel like there's no space underneath to layer. And I think I would want to be able to layer underneath it. This is the medium. This feels nice and comfortable. It doesn't feel tight on me. I know I'll definitely be able to layer. And if I'm wearing this jacket, it means I'm not trying to look like the most dressed up person, but I also want to look cute and put together at the same time. So I don't really care about it like being snatched on me. It's just for practical purposes. And I think I'm going to stick with the medium. Okay, this is it for the boring section. Let's get back into the cute clothes. This dress sold out at the beginning of the year, but I actually wanted to get it. So when I saw it again when I was shopping, I was like, yeah, I'm not going to lose guard again. I'm going to get it. It's from the tall section. It has a fur collar as well as the sleeve, and the best part is that the collar and the sleeve are detachable. So you basically are getting two dresses in one. Let's try her on. Don't be like me when you're wearing this dress. If you're gonna wear it from the bottom, you need to take this off, otherwise you will rip it. The only reason I was wearing it from the bottom is because I'm wearing makeup and I don't want to get makeup on it. But let's pretend like this isn't ripped, because it's an easy fix. I can fix it and I will fix it. But this is the dress. Very, very pretty. And another thing I realized, hold on. So I got these detachable puffs off AliExpress last year, and I realized that they match perfectly with this. So instead of having little fur sleeves, I'm going to have big fur sleeves because I'm extra like that. I feel like I just leveled up the dress with these sleeves. What do you guys think? Don't ask why I'm wearing this jacket again. Anyways, I've got this cord that we're gonna try on. I'm really excited to try this on because I want to know what it looks like on me. I saw it online and I was like, yeah, this is a bit of me. I need her. So let's hope it fits. I got them both in size 8. This is giving short, child. You know how some clothes are anti people who live alone? This is one of them. Because tell me why I struggled to get into this top. Well, I didn't struggle, but I struggled. Like, I don't like that. Anyways, this is... I said this is a bit of me. When I saw this outfit, I was like, I knew I had to get it. The skirt is a little bit loose around my waist, but that's fine. I can live with that. The top fits like a glove. I thought it would be more loose around this area, but it's not, which is fine. I don't know if I was even able to zip it up all the way. Like I said, it's anti people who live alone. Anyways, this is the outfit, and I think, oh, I think she's eating. I think she's taking it, and I'm obsessed, and I can't wait to wear her out. And now we are going to get into the shoes. I'm going to start with the dainty one first. I don't know why I thought these shoes were black, but they're red. And I'm even more excited that they're red. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks even better in person. Look at the cherries. Look at the cherries. Ah, I'm obsessed. Yeah, these are the shoes. I hope they fit me because I ordered a size 6, which is my normal size. I think, yes, a size 6. And the only thing I don't like is that it doesn't have a thing for like that goes in between your big toe and the next toe. You know the thing I'm talking about. I prefer my kitten heels to have that because I feel more secure. But let's try these on. They're comfortable and they fit me. These style of shoes are perfect because they're wearing heels, but they're not crazy high. You can wear them for a longer amount of time. I have another pair that's also from PLT. I'll show you guys. This is my second pair from PLT. I literally wore these all summer took them on trips with me because they're easy to pack, they don't take up too much space, and again, you're dressed up, you're wearing heels, but they're not crazy high. Seriously, literally anytime I put my camera on to record anything, this ice cream van shows up. We have these vinyl boots. I hope they come up to my knees. I really, really do. I'm gonna put them on now. I got these in a size 6. Yeah, size 6. I need you guys to see these boots because they actually look so good on me. No, the boots look really, really good. I really like them. I was a bit apprehensive because of the shine. I don't really like that vibe. It's not my vibe. But it looks good. It looks really good. I feel like I need to break them in before I try to wear them out though, because it's a little bit like, you know, first time. But first time wearing them, but you know what I mean. Like, you have to break them in. I saved the best for last, and we have burgundy boots. These are also a little bit shiny, but not as shiny as the ones that I'm wearing right now. These boots, I'm a bit worried, I'm a bit stressed. I got these in a size 7 because they had sold out in every single other size, and one size 7 happened to come back, and I was like, let's run it, because again, they are pointy, so it's okay to size up. Now, with the way that these ones fit, I'm a little bit worried about how these ones are gonna fit. So let's try it on and see how it goes. When Jesus says yes, nobody can say no, because these boots are a perfect fit. I feel like if I had gotten the size 6, it would have been too tight. It would have been too tight, and I would have been sad. I really like these boots, but they're stiletto heeled and they're pointy AF. They were not made for walking. They were made for looking good and sitting down. You get into the car, you get to your destination, you walk to your seat, and you sit down. Okay? They were not made for walking. So don't say I didn't warn you. We've reached the end, and if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you supporting me. If you like the content, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more like this if you like. I am gonna go clean up my space and figure out where I'm gonna put all these clothes and shoes, because the Lord knows I am out of space in my wardrobe. But listen, the Lord will make a way. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Love ya.